Hi everyone, and welcome back to PC Error Detective. Today, we're going to tackle a simple but important task: how to update Minecraft on Windows 10. If you've been wondering why your game isn't up to date, or you just want to make sure you have the latest features and bug fixes, you're in the right place. Step 1. Open the Start menu by clicking the Windows icon on your taskbar. Then select Settings. This is where all your system options are located, and it's the first step to access the update features. Step 2. In the Settings window, click on Update and Security, then choose Windows Update. This section manages all your updates, including security patches and feature releases, so it's important to go here. Step 3. Make sure your device is running Windows 10 version 24H2, and turn on the toggle for Get the latest updates as soon as they're available. This ensures your device is eligible and ready to receive the newest updates immediately. Step 4. When the Windows 10 2025 update, also known as version 25.02, appears, click Download and Install. This will start the update process, and it may take some time depending on your internet speed and system performance. Step 5. Keep your device plugged into a power source during the update, then restart your device once the installation is complete. Restarting is necessary to finalize the update and ensure all new features work correctly. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to PC Error Detective for more helpful tips and guides.